Guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is Sunday, the 6th of July, and I cannot even believe it. I hope a lot of you have enjoyed the 4th of July weekend in the United States and around the world. This one's going to be a paid promotion. 3Commas has been a sponsor of my channel for a very long time, but I just discovered something on Gate.io, which I'm going to show you, which is of course trading stocks, and I should say futures on stocks on Gate.io using 3Commas. Now, again, this is incredible. I'm going to actually set up, of course, the multi-bot with 3Commas on the futures stocks on Gate.io, because this is incredible. I'm noticing a lot of crypto exchanges now are starting to offer stocks in the United States. I mean, of course, you've got Gate.io, you've got Bybit that started this now. Coinbase is going to be starting to offer this very soon, I believe. Everyone's starting to get into the traditional assets, but the incredible thing is that it's using USDT, which is fascinating. I think it's amazing. So we're going to set that up today. Now, again, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you go do that. The Wall Street Bull. Thank you to those of you that are subscribed. And of course, with this stuff, please be careful. It's not financial advice. Do your own research. And of course, my golden rule is I never invest more than I can afford to lose, all right? So please be careful. Do your own research. Now, I still use 3Commas trading bots for leveraged trading. Now, of course, with my own exchange, Earn Curve, that is spot crypto market only. But for leverage trading, I'm still very, very much involved in that space. Of course, low leverage, but this one's fascinating, and I thought I'd just do a quick video on it because it's amazing. Now, if you come over to 3Commas, you can come over to, of course, 3commas.io, all of the referral links below. If you use that, you'll get a discount, of course. Coming over to subscription, there is a 4th of July special that they're running, which is pretty incredible. This is incredible software, by the way. I've been using it for a very long time. And of course, now building out my own exchange. I know the technicalities behind all of this stuff, but you can get the monthly, I should say the annual subscription with 3Commas, $57 a month if you buy out the whole year, which is incredible. And there is also a monthly subscription here, but you will get 25% off that. And of course, if you want to buy the expert, I don't think you'll need the expert because it's just excessive, but also they do charge $76 a month. And of course, if you want to buy the expert, it's $125 a month. So all of the links are below, but there is a 4th of July special, which is amazing. Coming over here though, of course, you will need an account on Gate.io, right? So all of the links below, please feel free to use the referral link. When I was on this today, literally I just came up to futures and you can see X stocks. And I was like, what is this? And of course, you've got SPY, you've got Tesla, Google, Amazon, QQQ, which is NASDAQ, MicroStrategy, which is amazing. We've got Circle, we've got DFDV. I'm not sure what that is. I have to look that up. We've got Coinbase as well, which is interesting. Meta, we've got Robinhood, Nvidia, and Apple, literally with USDT. That's incredible to see that. I couldn't believe it. I was like, wow. So then I came over to 3Commas, and if you come to DCA bot on the left-hand side, let's just have a quick look at the setup. By the way, this is the power of bots, mind you, I should say as well. So 91,623 USDT. I mean, that is a significant amount of capital. So the bots do work. I get a lot of questions about this, but if you're using the right bot software, it can be beneficial. It's not financial advice, but it can be really lucrative. Now, I'm going to set up, just to make sure that I've got those funds in there. I'm just going to have a look at funds management right now because you need USDT in this. Let's have a quick look at this. Okay, we've got that in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the spot USDT into my futures account, just making that clear so you can go all. Bang, that is done. So we should have that in my futures account right now. So that should be ready to trade. If you come over to X, let me just bring this over here, guys. Sorry, let me just bring it up. It's having a moment right here. If we go futures, come over here at X stocks. Sorry, let me just do that again. Let's just try it. Let's do MicroStrategy as well. Let's have a look. Okay, so you can see MicroStrategy perpetual here on the screen. This is unreal, right? So coming over 3Commas, I tried this out, right? Let me just refresh this to show that there is, of course, spare capital in there. 150 USDT. I'm just having a play around with it. Let's have a look here. Gate.io, futures perpetual. Okay, it hasn't refreshed. That's okay. That's fine. It will do that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and change this to stocks multi-bot. Okay, let's just do this now. Today's date is the 6th of the 7th, 2025. So futures, you can trade pretty much all the time. Now, I'm going to set up a multi-bot. I'm going to select, of course, I've got some ones that I prepared earlier, of course, Apple. We're going to trade NASDAQ, or sorry, NVIDIA, I should say. Then we're going to type MicroStrategy. The ticker symbol is MSTRX. So come up here, MSTRX. As you can see, it's there. And then you can come up here and just put as many as you like. Really, it's up to you. Let's have a look. We've got Robinhood as well. It's Hood X USDT. So we'll type that in here, Hood X USDT. And let's have a look here. Coming over to futures, let me just bring this up to X stocks. Tesla is obviously TSLA, which is the ticker symbol, TSLA. We're going to put this here in the 3Commas. And then, of course, come over to futures right here. This is going to be incredible, by the way. Meta, of course, we'll do Meta. That's a big one right here, Meta. Is that Meta Text X? Let's double check this right now, just to make sure I've got it right. Meta X, yep, okay, that's good. And of course, Circle USDT, which has been booming on this, I should say Circle USDT, here it is here. So I've got 7 stocks right now, okay? Now, multi-pair stocks, multi-grid bot, I should say DCA bot. Now I've got simultaneous trades per pair. We're just going to leave that at 1. Max active trades, 1 max. Now we can increase this. Of course, there's 7. And we're going to come down to the entry order. Now, this is an interesting one. So you can put here basically 20 USDT because we're going to be using leverage. And of course, I'm going to bump this up right now to, of course, 10x. I'm just going to have a play around with it, see how it goes. Isolated leverage for me is a given. I'm going to put it on market order because I want it to trade straight away. I'm going to use an RSI indicator. I might put this on a the previous bot setups that I had actually on here. Let me just bring this up. The time frame that I've been using, of course, is 3 minutes. So let's just bring that down here. Now we've got USDT 20 there. We can put 20 USDT here. Now safety orders, I'm gonna put let's say 20. Price deviation, I'm gonna set to 1. I only want 1 safety order on the books at every time because otherwise you'll just burn up all your capital. Let's have a look here. 1.05 is going to be the order size multiplier. An average step right now I'm going to set to 1, which in turn should be fine. So the max price it would drop would be 20%. It starts to get a little bit crazy up here if you just start increasing this, but just leave it at 1. And then you can come down here. Be careful with this stuff, by the way, guys. You can see here, exit and take profit. I usually set them to about 1.5 per deal, which is pretty straightforward. I'm not sure, because this is really new technology, right? In terms of tokenizing stocks, I'm basically going to try this for the last, say, 3 months. We can back test it. Let's see if it works. Back testing the last 91 days. Let's see what the results it brings up. And I mean, Circle in itself has been insane. Let's just wait for this to load. It's done 20 days. It's now up to 30 days. Let's just keep scrolling down right here. We're at 40 days. And then you can see the orders right here, the average orders. So basically, it's like a DCA bot, which is amazing. Let's see what the backtest results bring up right here. We'll just wait for 1 more minute to see what happens here. I don't know, to be honest. I haven't done this before, so I'm just testing it out. 90 days, 92 days. Okay, so because it's such new technology, we can't even go back on it. But I'm going to basically leave this set up here on, of course, we have the 7 pairs. We're trading Apple, NVIDIA, Circle, of course, Robinhood, Meta. We've got MicroStrategy in there and Tesla. So all of their futures on stocks with USDT. Now, let me just see if I can push Sorry guys, let me just see if I can push start right here down the bottom. Start this bot on gate.io. There we go. Okay, so coming over to, of course, gate.io. That bot has now started. And let's just see if it opens up an order, which is going to be interesting. And that is on 10x leverage. So you can now trade US equities or stocks using USDT now on crypto exchanges. This blows my mind that we're now at this point. This is how early we are in this space. It's incredible, but I'm going to let these run. And it's on a 3-minute time frame. And of course the market is closed today, but it's going to be fascinating to see what happens with this on market open on Monday. So you know what, let's just leave it. I'll keep everyone posted during the week, but there you go. Go sign up if you wish to use this for leverage trading. And of course, now you can trade stocks on crypto exchanges. Blows my mind. Anyway, guys, go take advantage of that offer if you wish. All right, peace out, guys. Take care.